Well, a march at the Capitol this evening protesting the stalled investigation into the tuberculosis case at Aurora's ICE facility. Now, 3 weeks ago, CDPHE gave the GEO Group, which operates the facility, a July 17th deadline to grant them access to the information they need to complete the health investigation. Well, that deadline came and went. Really not much changed. Denver 7's North Metro reporter Maggie Bryan was there as protesters demanded a more aggressive response. Maggie also spoke with CDPHE's executive director about next steps in the investigation.
This should be about protecting the health of the people of Colorado.
Calls for state action are growing as the operators of the ICE detention facility in Aurora continue to deny access to public health officials after a confirmed case of tuberculosis at the facility in June.
We can no longer stand by and watch this.
More than 6 weeks ago, the Adams County Health Department issued a public health order after they say GEO Group, the company that runs the detention center, would not let them in the facility to see the patient or complete their state-mandated health investigation. The order was meant to require the GEO Group to comply, but still no progress.
State officials, lead without fear and do what is right and just, and do it now.
Now, immigration rights groups are calling on the state health department to issue its own order, hoping it could lead to action.
I know they know that it's the right thing to do.
Jill Hunsaker-Ryan, State Health Department Executive Director, showed up outside the Capitol to answer their questions. We asked her whether a state public health order is different than a county order.
Not necessarily, and especially with tuberculosis, because we follow the same statutes.
Is it true that CDPHE is afraid of potential litigation if you guys were to issue a state public health order?
We've started with the approach of communication because we actually worked very collegially with this facility just 6 months ago.
Has that communication with the GEO Group been successful to get the records and complete the investigation?
It has not been successful to date. This is why we're evaluating this on a daily basis and just weighing what it's the best course of action. And right now, everything is still on the table. A public health order is still on the table. I can't give you a time frame for if or when we might use that.
In a statement to Denver 7, Governor Jared Polis's office says, quote, the state is considering next steps, including the option of a public health order should it be necessary. A spokesperson for Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser told us he has the authority to enforce a state-issued public health order and said the office, quote, stands ready to work with the governor's office and state health officials to bring GEO into compliance with the law. Are you satisfied with the answers from the CDPHE executive director?
No, I am not.
Why not?
A lot of the answers we have heard before this press conference. This is a repetition of what we're being told.
In Denver, I'm Maggie Bryan, Denver 7.
And we reached out to GEO Group for a response. They referred us to ICE. Now, an ICE spokesperson says the facility has complied with all federal CDC guidelines and Colorado law on communicable disease. The GEO Group is suing the state in Adams County now, arguing the new state law requiring unannounced health inspections is unconstitutional and discriminatory. Now, Maggie is committed to covering the issues impacting the North Metro. If you ever have something you want her to check out, she'd be glad to do it. Scan the QR code on your screen to connect with her or email her, maggie.bryan@denver7.com.